Alright, trying to make the most out of our fix-it plates here. We're allowed these parallelograms, which are 4x4. So here's my A-arm plate. I'm thinking somehow I'm going to stretch that there. That's my A-arm plate. And I'm going to put one back here to wrap around the frame here. Then I got one more that I need to fix this area with. And then I'm allowed another one after the heat. So if I fix this here, maybe even weld wrap that around, I think I can get everything close enough to hold this baby where she needs to be.